Hello everybody, I will start my today's another coding practice. So in this video, I will solve this question, best time to buy and sell stock. So in this question, I'm giving an array prices. And prices I is the price of a given stock on the ice day. Okay. And I want to maximize my profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell the stock. A single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell the stock. Returns the maximum profit that I can achieve from this transaction. If I cannot achieve any profit, return zero. Okay. So in this question, I'm giving the list of integer, which signifies the price on each date of stock price on each day. And my task is actually choosing 2 days buy date and sell date. Yeah, and sell date obviously has to be later than the buy date. Okay, and I will calculate the gap, and that's the benefit. So I try to maximize that gap. Which is the benefit. Profit. Yeah, so I will return the maximum profit. Okay. And if I cannot make any profit, I will return zero. So this is only the case, I think, if the price is strictly or non-strictly increasing. In that case, I can't make any benefit, so I return zero. Okay. So I think I'm pretty sure on what to do on this question. So let me think of this with some example. Okay, for example, this. Um, I will choose a I mean, purchase date and sell date, and obviously it has to be this and this. So because the minimum price is 1, which is on this date, and the maximum price is 8, which is on this date. And fortunately, this maximum date is greater than the minimum date. So I can just say I should sell the stock as the cheapest price 1, and then sell it as the highest price 8. So the gap should be 8 minus 1 is 7, which should be returned. Okay. Yeah. So as I said, this is a good example, fortunate example. So let me change it a little bit like this and this. Okay, so in this case, oh, yeah, so let me change it like this. Yeah. I will think which date I should choose and which date I should, sell. Okay, yeah. Obviously, the brute force approach is that I choose the combination of sell date and buy date each, and I calculate the gap, the profit, and then I get the maximum one. So it will take n squared time. But I think I can solve it in the traverser in one pass. So every time I traverse, I keep track of the mini, and also I will keep track of the, oh, only that. That's where I should keep track. Because obviously, I should buy the stock as the minimum date before the buy date. So what I mean to say is I traverse the buy date. Yeah. And for example, I cannot buy on day one, no day zero. So I can start from here. So if should buy here, the minimum sulfur should be, yeah, 2. So I can say the profit should be 8 minus 2 is 6. Then on the next day, I mean day 2, I can, buy. Oh no, sorry. I should traverse the sell date. Yeah. And when day 2 is the sell date, the minimum sulfur should be 2. So the profit should be 5 minus 2 is 3. Yeah. In this way, I traverse the sell date and then I return the maximum of the profit. Okay, so this is what I should do. Yep, so time complexity should be obviously O of n because I just have to traverse the array in one pass. And for space complexity, it should be constant because I just need to keep track of the minimum sulfur and maximum profit sulfur. So aside from that, or I should say, I don't need any non-constant data structure, so it should be O of 1. Okay, that being said, I will start the implementation. Oh, by the way, how many days I have for the prices? I mean, could it be rank 0 or could it be rank 1? Yep. So it says the ranks is 1 or more. So obviously, if the price is ranks is 1, I can do the transaction, so I should return 0. Yeah, but I think it can be covered in this way. So yeah, if the end days is 1, I don't do any for loop, and I return the max profit without updated, which should be 0. Okay. Okay, so now the profit should be this. Okay, so I can do it in this way. Yep. So let me work through my code with some example. Let me do a very simple example like this. Okay. Yep. In this case, end days should be 3, and max profit begins with 0, and min prices sulfur begins with 2. Okay, and for sell date, I iterate from 1 and then 2. Yeah, and when sell date is 1, prices 1 is 1. So this should be 1 minus mean price sulfur is 2, so this should be negative 1. Oh, yeah. Okay. Actually, this doesn't make any profit, but it's okay because max profit is not updated with negative number. So yeah, I can just keep it included. So now profit is negative 1, the max profit is still 0, and mini price sulfur is the bigger one of 2 and 1, which is still 2. Okay. Hmm? No, no, no. 2 and 1, which is 1. Yeah. Which is as expected. Okay, so now I go back to line 24, and now sell date is 2. So profit is now 5 minus mini price offer is now 1, which is 4. So max profit is updated with this, so now it becomes 4. And mini price offer is updated with I mean, I will get mini of 1 and 5, which is still 1. Okay, good. And in the end, I return max profit, which is now 4. Yep, this is correct because I should buy at the price 1 and should sell it by, price 5, which makes the most profit, which is 4. Okay, so I'm pretty confident in my code, so I submit this. Good. Okay, so that being said, um, I will quickly wrap up my today's coding practice. So in today's question, I saw the question best time to buy and sell stock. And in this question, I'm given the array of prices, which signifies the price, stock price on each day. And my task is, okay, and I'm supposed to sell the stock at some single date, and I should sell it on the day later than that. And I can choose any combination of sell date, buy date, sell date and buy date. And that being said, I will return the maximum profit, yeah, of every combination. Okay, so in my solution, I use the single iteration. So for each sell date, um, yeah, I should buy the price before the sell date. So I should keep track of the, minimum price so far, which should be the buy price to maximize the profit. Yeah. And with that, I calculate the profit I can make for each sell date. Yeah. So yeah. And I will return the maximum of the, those profit prices for each sell date fixed. Yeah. I mean, so I can calculate the max profit with each sell date fixed. Yeah. And I will return the maximum of them. Okay, that's it. Yep. So that being said, I finished my today's coding practice with this. Thank you so much. Bye.